This video will help ITI creator to understand how to do their respective roles in the examination module. FA Marks section in the left-hand menu. In the FA Marks section, the user will be shown the list of eligible and not eligible candidates. They can also filter out the candidates based on trainee code, trainee name, trade, shift and unit. Next, the user will have to click on the Download Marks Template button to download the Excel sheet. Please note, if the user has applied any filters, then the sheet will only have the filtered out data. The user will enter the FA marks for each candidate and upload it by clicking on the Marks Bulk Update button. Post updating, click on Save as Draft button. Please note, the user needs to be sure that all the entered details are correct before going forward. In case there is an error, the error will show you which row has an issue. Go back to the sheet and check if you have filled all the fields for the trainees. Once the user has checked all the updated marks, they need to click on Submit for approval. Then they will get a pop-up. Here they will click on OK. If the approver must reject any data, they will send it back to the creator with their remarks. The ITI creator will have to make the required changes and submit for approval again. Please note, once the data is approved, the changes would be freeze and the not eligible trainees will not move forward. In the practice,